I did not believe this until I tried it myself. This simple flaxseed and okra gel leave-in conditioner changed my hair life in just 2 weeks. It grows longer, strong, healthy, soft, and shiny than ever before. Please stay tuned with me and we start doing it together. This conditioner also is safe for you to keep it up to 3 to 6 months. You can keep it outside without putting inside your fridge. So let's begin the video, guys. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay, guys, now we are starting with my shea butter. So I divide it into two. I'm going to use 3 butters, which is going to be avocado butter and mango butter plus my shea butter. So these 3 butters, mango butter and avocado butter is good for those who have a low porosity hair, and my daughter is having low porosity hair. I have a high porosity hair. So to add the shea butter, it will make the ingredients balance so that both of us can use the same leave-in conditioner. So now after put everything, I added half teaspoon of beeswax and I put it on fire to make it double boil method. So now let's start preparing the second batch. So now I'm putting my okra and flaxseed gel inside. It's not easy to take it to. I need about 4 or 5 teaspoons, but it was not easy to cut it. So now after that, let's just check and see flaxseed. Now I'm adding my aloe vera oil inside. Flaxseed is rich in omega-3 fatty acid, which we all know. So adding flaxseed and okra, boil it together, get the gel. It will help to give your hair slippery and also moisturizing, curly, defension, and helping your hair to grow faster. So using flaxseed gel and okra gel is amazing for hair. If you are not trying it, please start to try those ingredients for your hair. So now after melt my shea butter, avocado butter, and mango butter, I bring it. I'll start to pour it inside my ingredients that I prepared earlier. So now after that, I use my hand mixture to do what, to whip it, because I want it to be pumping to get a cream form. So shea butter and mango butter and avocado butter, those butters also is deep nourishing and sealing the moisture to your hair. So while I was doing, I added aloe vera oil inside. Aloe vera is also helping the hair to grow faster, protecting your hair from breaking. And also avocado my cold pressed avocado oil, I did it myself. Please, if you want to watch that video, check Princess Hair Care. I have my another second channel called Princess Hair Care. I have that video in that channel. You can see the video over there and watch it. So I added those avocado oil, and now I'm adding my essential oil, which is lavender essential oil that I'm going to add inside. So this avocado oil also is full of fatty acid. It's also helping the hair strands, okay? And jojoba oil, I added jojoba, and sweet almond oil also. It's also softening dry ends, okay? Soften your dry ends if you are using those oils. So after that, I'm adding my vitamin E oil inside. This thing I cannot do without adding vitamin E oil because we need the benefit of it. So after that, I added rosemary essential oil, rosemary oil also. That one also is boost blood circulation to the scalp and also helping the hair grow faster. If you are looking for a way to grow your hair faster, or if you want thicker hair, try to be using rosemary. If you want flat hair, don't be missing rosemary in your ingredients. So after that, I added my vitamin E. Vitamin E oil also protecting the hair from damaging. And if you have dandruff, you are using the vitamin E, is going to stop protect it from it. If your hair is breaking, it's going to repair your hair. Vitamin E is just like a massage, is repairing things. If you have your hair is breaking, you are using it, your hair, it will come back to a normal, it will come back to a normal life again. So after everything, now I'm going to use this stick from my lavender essential oil to take my preservative, because this thing I'm going to add about 10 drop of preservative to preserve this leave-in conditioner for 6 months, okay? At least 3 months or 6 months, how long I'm going to use it with I and my daughter, so it can stay outside without putting inside the fridge. Look at how shiny it is. Please subscribe, like, and share for me. This channel is all about how to grow your hair, how to take care of yourself, okay, and how to take care of your body. So that is what I'm doing here. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.